weekend, and I had moms on the brain with all of the kids and all of the sports and all of the things that we do. So I have super cute sports themes, game day outfits, comfortable things that you can wear to be cute and comfy while watching sports, attending sporting events. I also have accessories, shoes, bags, all the things. You can shop from the carousel down below. I'm going to join our live right now so that I can chat with you in real time. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat, and if you hit follow, I can see and I can say hello here. So hit follow so that you can definitely find me again in the future. I go live several times a week, and I love sharing my Amazon finds with you. But I want to start with something that's a little off topic from game day, because I mentioned it yesterday, which is press-on nails. So I got some press-on nails. I literally put these on in the car yesterday in carpool. Do you have the before photo? Okay, So you're gonna see, literally I was sitting in the car, I snapped the before photo. I have not had a professional manicure in months, and my nails are in desperate need of it. But I'm trying to avoid the damaging like shellac and things like that. So I was like, let me try some press-ons. So I got these press-ons. I love how they look. I think they're so pretty for fall. But this particular set I got is by Olive and June, and they've already been lifting. So they've been really frustrating. So I ordered last night some new ones on Amazon. They are not here yet, but I put them in the carousel just to see if they do better. So I did a pair of OPI, a different style of Olive and June, and then Impress, which I feel like Impress lasted a long time the last time I wore those, which has been years, but I remember being shocked at how long they stayed on, and I never had to like reapply. But these have already lifted a couple, like once, and then I had to reapply. So that's frustrating. But anyways, tell me in the chat if you have a great pair of press-on nails that you've been really happy with, because I really want to try them. And they're so much less expensive than going to get your nails done. And I love nail polish, but regular nail polish tends to not last that long either, and chips. So just wanted to put that out there. So we're starting with that. Those are linked in the carousel. And then let's start with some really cute sports t-shirts, starting with the one I'm wearing. If you can see, this says Weekends, Coffee, and Soccer. I got this one sort of in honor of my daughter's first soccer game, which is on Saturday. She plays at 10:30. So you can think of me at 10:30 on Saturday. I will be at the soccer fields watching her play soccer. She's in 4th grade. She's on a team with 4th and 5th graders. So it's actually really cute and soft. Like, it's way softer than I thought it was gonna be. Like, sometimes you just don't know. It has nice stretch. So I'm actually quite comfortable in this today. And then I also linked in the carousel the jean shorts that I like from Amazon that I'm wearing in the photo and the that you can see. These are really cute with a little front pocket. They're under $20. I got these this summer. I wore them a ton. I also liked them in the black. And I'm in Houston, so it's still quite warm here. So these have been a staple, and I will have them, you know, I'm sure for many seasons to come. I think they're a nice length. They're not too short, not too long. They have some good bit of stretch. They come in a million different colors, and they fit true to size. Okay, then this next shirt, it reminded me so much of my friend Tara. She has 3 kids. They're going in a million directions. It says, I can't, I have, what's it say?
My kid has practice or something.
A game or something.
A game or something.
And I even sent her a message. I'm like, Tara, this totally reminded me of you. And she's like, yes, 100% her mom life. So I thought that one was super cute. It's under $15. And it's one of those things, like, if you know, you know. Like, if you know, that's just how it goes. Okay, then I was not leaving out the baseball moms. Moms against white baseball pants. My daughter also plays baseball, And you know, the white pants, like the struggle is real. Sometimes even like the bleach isn't getting them out. But I just thought this was super cute. It's also on sale. It's under $18. Again, like cute, comfy, stretchy. Like I just thought it was darling. And then what I'm wearing there with those is a pair of CRZ high waist leggings, but they're the boot cut style. So just a little bit more modern than like our traditional leggings that we always wear all the time. These are so comfortable. They feel like butter luxe on your skin. Of course, I love CRZ yoga. I work out in their activewear all the time, but this pair of pants in particular is like super comfortable. They have a nice wide waistband. They just slip on over your hips.